What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing Valheim. I saw a few videos of this on TikTok. It looked really good. I love the way the art style is, and I wanted to try it out. It says the game is still in early development, so there might be some little glitches and bugs here and there. Where are we going? Am I controlling this? No. I had to cut out the beginning where I made my character and his name and all that. There were some technical difficulties. But we're playing as Hunter. Wow, this looks so cool. Oh, I can kick. Yeah! Roadhouse. 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 Hello, Hugin. Welcome to the 10th World Warrior. I am Hugin. I'm probably saying that wrong. Sent here to guide you in your travels. The megaliths surrounding you are the sacrificial stones. They represent the Forsaken, which you must slay in order to ascend to Valhalla. Ah, yes. Ah, poofed away like a fart. Okay. Talk to Hugin. These magical stones were scattered throughout the lands by Odin as signposts pointing towards the ritual grounds of the Forsaken. If inspected closer, this one will reveal the summoning place of Yggdrasil, your first prey. He is a mighty beast, so you need to properly arm yourself before even attempting to defeat him. Okay. Missing item acquired. So I hang stuff on. What is coming off of me? Is that sweat? That's nasty. Born in armor, mother of many, queen without crown, ruler beneath. This was that. Nope. How do I read the thing? I want to read it. Nope. Long ages past, he wore a crown beneath a blood-red sky. Now naught is left of all he was, but his spirit cannot die. Ooh. Am I going the right way? Is it like Minecraft? Can I punch trees to... I'm doing 0 damage to this tree. I'm gonna take it. It probably wants me to go there. Sorry about that. My dog kept licking herself and it was kind of annoying, so I had to make her stop. Yeah. Look at the trees. So plentiful. Ooh. Controls are a little laggy. Oh. The music's so peaceful. You imagine just like sitting on your back porch drinking a cup of coffee, like as the sun comes up, listening to this. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. What is that? What the hell is that? Whoa! Is it like a goblin? Here. Ow, it's a grayling. Oh, I just obliterated him. No, I didn't. Yeah! Yeah! Come here. Ow. run from me. He might kill me. Wait, hit him. Did I get him? Yeah, he exploded into goop. Oh, I got some items. How do I... Okay, so Y is inventory. Can I equip this? Ah. Oh, now I'm naked. Okay, there we go. Sticky tree resin that insulates well. If you put to the flame, it burns slow and steadily. So if I put it to this, would that do that? No. That's okay. We don't need a torch right now anyway. Alright, let's get back on the path here. Hey, it's Birdman. Most items must be crafted. However, due to your recent departure from Midgard, you will have to recall the true shape of objects. Just pick things up and it will all come back to you, I'm sure. My lesser brother Munin tells me that he can fashion a stone axe out of wood and stone. Okay. You need to find your brother then. Back out. I want that. Oh, I guess I can mark a house. Wow, that's pretty. Thumbnail. Whoa, I just realized that. Oh, are we in like Yggdrasil, the world tree? Blue-eyed shufflers and muck. The neck are small. It's so small I can't read it. Small litters natives to Valheim, surely and mean-spirited. They will attack on sight and must be destroyed like vermin. They stay near water because the creatures of the land loathe and harbor them. Yet no creature is all bad. Their tails are delicious. Alright, I got some lizard tails soon. I'm gonna keep following the trail here. That dude thumps when he hits the ground. Hello. Where's my bird friend? Add pin. Remove pin. Oh, let me remove that. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh, hell. It's another one of the things. Come here, come here. Ah, yeah, Sparta. here. Ow! I died. Oh, my arms fell off. Well, poo. Well. Upon your arrival in Valheim, try to find stones and branches on the ground to build your first weapon. Like that one, maybe. Did I lose all my stuff? Dang it. I did lose all my stuff. I get it now. It is like Minecraft. Hey, you sucker. Oh, it's the Dan. It's the bird. Each time you are struck down, you will forget a small part of your abilities and drop your belongings at the side of the axe. And if you wish you were home by now, I'd recommend building a bed wherever home may be. Okay. I need stones, though. Yeah. Can I pick up that stone? I can pick up that stone. Alright, I want to build... If I pick up enough stones and enough wood, can I build a pickaxe? Ooh, berries. Raspberries. This could be home. This could be our rock. What does he want now? You have found a snack. Consume it to improve your health and stamina. Be aware that before long you will grow hungry again, so try to always have at least a couple. Oh shit! Come here, goblin. These little dudes are creepy right here. There. Did he drop anything good? Just some resin. So those little things can pop out of anywhere. Am I sitting? Yes, I'm pondering life. Alright, let's go back to inventory. Crafting. A club, a crude useful weapon. Change window. With this to your hand, you can raise high halls and mighty fortifications. A crude axe for felling trees. So what do I need for that one? I need more sticks and I need more stones. Alright, let's go find some more sticks and stones. Because if I could fell some trees, that would make gathering wood a lot faster. That's too big. Can I punch over small trees? I'm doing damage to it. Heck yeah. Okay, so small trees you can punch over. Try this one. If I can hit it. Turn. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get out of here. Get out of here. I can't believe we went so far the first time without encountering one of those things. Ah, give me wood. Give me all of your wood. Oh, I hear one of those little suckers. What are they, though? Come here. No, don't run from me. It's okay. I mean, it's not really, but... Let's go back to the Stonehenge area here. I need some food. Oh, gee, he's coming. Alright, you're dying. Come here. There. That. I like the little poofs when they die. Alright, y'all leave me in peace now. Anybody else? Alright, I'm gonna try to do some stuff. I need 4 more rocks. There's a rock. Rock. Thank you. And a stick. And rock. Rock. I think I need 1 more. That should be a rock. Wonder if I'll be able to hunt deer and stuff. Do that. Come on, 1 more rock. Right there. Ooh, a bunch of stones. I'll take all of them. Alright, now we can build an axe. Yes. Stone axe. Heck yeah. Alright. Let's go ahead and build a torch too for the night times. Equipped. There we go. Heck yeah. Alright, let's go chop some trees down. Yeah! Deforestation! Ugh! Is that the only swing I can do with this? Heck yeah. Woo! All the branches. Now do I cut it up from here? Yes. My dude's getting tired. Ugh. Oh, I got something for you. I got something for you. Yeah, eat my axe. Oh, are these things gonna come out like super heavy at night? It's creepy. Oh, I need this to build a structure, right? Oh, good. Build all stuff now. Guess I need to get some more stuff. What's he want? With this tool, you will raise mighty halls and towering fortifications. Start by building a workbench. This in turn will enable you to construct better things. Alright, what do I need for a workbench, does it say? Oh, okay. Oh, I can raise my skills. My skills. I'm not gonna mess with those right now because I really don't know what kind of player I want to build. No, I didn't want to build a stone axe. I don't think I did though. Alright, I guess I need to collect more wood and stuff. You're lurking around. Can I like quick change to other items, or do I have to do this every time? If I do this, you feel cold. Oh shit! Oh, that's the bird. That's the bird, I'm sorry. When the temperature drops at night, or if you are wet, you will suffer from being cold. This reduces your stamina regeneration. Seeking shelter by an open flame is your best option when this happens. Okay. Well, I have a torch. How do I not have enough wood to make a campfire? Yeah. I should be okay as long as I walk by the torch, right? Yeah. Those little creepy buggers are gonna come out in the dark here in a second. Where's the bird? I heard him. I don't want to stray too far at night because I don't know what's out there just yet. I think my dude's getting cold. But... yeah, I want to light that on fire. Let's light the whole field on fire. Ah, well, I'm just going to keep cutting down trees then. Oh, I can have both out? Heck yeah. Fall. Yeah. There we go. Oh shit, there's one of the things. Oh lord. God, they're so creepy at night with their yellow eyes. Come here. Come here, you booger. Come here, booger. They're running from me. We got a lot of that that resin. Ooh, stones. Always need stones. Gotta get stoned. That's a heck of a man to be chopping wood with one hand now. Does that do more damage? Yeah. You could not eat another bite. I didn't eat anything. Was I eating the tree? Alright, let's see what we can craft now. Beech seeds. Plant them to grow a beech tree. So... do I have to have my hammer equipped to build more? With this in your hand, you can raise halls and mighty fortifications. So you do have to have it in your hand. What am I repairing? This? Oh, where's the dang... the other one? Yeah, I know I'm cold. Alternate placement mode. Oh! Well, aren't I just stupid? Alright. Let's get the workbench up here. Can I place it here? Huh. Where's it gotta be placed at? The hell? Cooking station, repair, furniture. Misc. What is this? Stone pile, wood stack, campfire. I don't have enough stones for a campfire? You're kidding. Alright, let's try to find some stones. And then we will... there we go. Then we will try to build the workbench. Now that I'm figuring this out. I can't believe it took me that long to figure that out. You gotta have a lot of stones for stuff, it seems like. Here's a stone. You got it? There we go. I think I need like 3 or something. I think we're good on lumber though. Dang, nighttime is so long. Oh, but I guess if I build a bed, it'll probably go faster. Also like Minecraft. Day 2. Oh, yay, the sun's coming up. Yeah, alright, let me put this away so it stops. Oh, I can just select these. Alright. We're gonna build a campfire now. Stonehenge is gonna be home, I guess. Until we can venture out. If I can find a place that'll let me put this thing. Right there. Place. Heck yeah. Now we have a fur. Alright, we're gonna build some stuff. A little something something. Build menu. Yep, I need a workbench. Can I put the workbench here? Yes, but it's gotta look all weird though. Because the ground's so uneven right here. Yeah, put it in the fire. Oh, well, I didn't really want it there, but it's there now. What's up, Birdman? Your workbench allows you to craft complex items, as well as giving you access to lots of more building pieces to construct with the hammer. Alright, come on, workbench. Come on, workbench, bro. Crafting station needs a roof. What? Are you kidding me? Will I be able to move this? Okay, give me my hammer. Ah, poop. I do need a roof. Wood wall. Wood ladder. Wood floor. Electricity. Yeah, the little magnet down the bottom. Alright. So, we're gonna need... Can I just place a roof in midair? Inverted. Half wall. That's too small. No. Maybe like a lean-to? Thatch roof corner. No, I can't just place that over it. Huh. Okay, well. So I can put a floor under. No, a floor underneath it. Can I put a floor underneath it? Oh, I'm not letting me. Dang it. I have to build somewhere else. Wow, this one's like a lot. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Oh crap. Come here. Equip. Bruh. And I can't destroy it. Ah, crap. Alright guys, well I think I might cut it off here. I'm gonna try to mess around with the game a little bit, get a little better at it before the next video. And maybe by the next video I'll have a house up. You can kind of work out of it a little bit better here. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and watch all my other videos if you can stand them. Alright, thanks guys. Peace. If I can shut the video off. There you go.